Most plumbing problems don't start big. They become disasters because of the wrong tools. What if the latest tools on Amazon could turn messy repairs into fast, clean, and controlled fixes? On TechVerse, you're about to discover 20 new plumbing tools that are actually worth getting in 2026. And every single one is linked in the description so you can check them out instantly. Knipex TubiX Pipe Cutter. The Knipex TubiX Pipe Cutter is designed for precise and clean cutting of copper and plastic pipes with minimal effort. Imagine working in a tight under-sink space where you need a clean cut without damaging the pipe. This tool allows you to adjust quickly to different pipe diameters and cut smoothly with controlled rotation. It also features a deburring function, which helps prepare the pipe for fitting right after cutting. In real plumbing work, this saves time and ensures better connections. When clean cuts and efficiency matter, this pipe cutter delivers reliable and consistent performance. X-Fitting Push. Fit fittings. X-Fitting Push. Fit fittings are designed to simplify pipe connections without the need for soldering, glue, or special tools. Imagine fixing a leaking line where time matters. You can insert the pipe directly into the fitting, and it locks securely in place. These fittings are compatible with common pipe types like PEX, copper, and CPVC, making them versatile for different repairs. In real situations, this reduces installation time and minimizes mess. When you need a fast, reliable connection without complex steps, push-fit fittings provide a practical and efficient solution. RIDGID Easy Change Faucet Wrench. And the RIDGID Easy Change Faucet Wrench is designed to make faucet installation and removal easier in tight, hard-to-reach spaces. Imagine working under a sink where space is limited and traditional wrenches cannot reach. This tool allows you to access mounting nuts from below with better control. It features interchangeable heads that fit different nut sizes and configurations, reducing the need for multiple tools. In real-world use, it speeds up faucet replacement and reduces strain during installation. When working in confined plumbing areas, this wrench provides a more efficient and practical solution. iCrimp IWS-1807 CNPEX Crimping Toolkit. The iCrimp IWS-1807 CNPEX Crimping Toolkit is designed to create secure and consistent connections in PEX plumbing systems. Imagine installing a new water line where every joint needs to be leak-free. This tool applies uniform pressure to crimp rings, ensuring a tight seal around fittings. It typically includes multiple jaw sizes and a calibration feature to maintain accuracy over time. In real projects, this reduces the risk of leaks and rework. When reliable PEX connections are essential, this kit provides a controlled and dependable crimping solution. Knipex Cobra XS Water Pump Pliers. The Knipex Cobra XS water pump pliers are built for gripping and adjusting in extremely tight spaces where larger pliers cannot fit. Imagine working behind a sink or inside a compact valve area where access is limited. This tool provides a secure grip on pipes and fittings without slipping. Its push-button adjustment allows quick sizing directly on the workpiece, or saving time during repetitive tasks. In real plumbing situations, it improves control and reduces effort when handling small components. When precision and access matter, these compact pliers offer a reliable and efficient solution. Oatey 3403 Plastic Plug. The Oatey 3403 plastic plug is designed to temporarily seal pipes during testing or repairs, helping you control water flow when a line is open. Imagine working on a plumbing repair where you need to stop water from leaking while you prepare a connection. This plug fits securely into pipe openings to create a temporary seal. It is lightweight and easy to install without additional tools. In real situations, it helps prevent unnecessary mess and keeps your workspace manageable. When quick and temporary sealing is required, this plug provides a simple and effective solution. For a Laisgoo Angle Stop Wrench Kit. The Laisgoo Angle Stop Wrench Kit is designed to handle shut-off valve installations and removals in tight under-sink spaces. Imagine replacing an angle stop valve where standard tools cannot grip properly. This kit provides specially shaped wrenches that fit around the valve body without damaging nearby pipes. It helps you hold the valve steady while tightening or loosening connections, reducing the risk of twisting supply lines. In real plumbing work, this improves control and prevents costly mistakes. When working on confined valve setups, this kit gives you the precision and stability you need. MEISTERFAKTUR Drain Snake 2.0. The MEISTERFAKTUR Drain Snake 2.0 is designed to clear common household clogs quickly without relying on chemicals. And imagine dealing with a slow, draining sink where buildup has blocked the pipe. This tool allows you to insert a flexible cable into the drain and manually remove the obstruction. Its design helps you reach deeper into pipes while maintaining control during use. In real plumbing situations, it reduces mess and avoids damage caused by harsh cleaners. When fast and direct clog removal is needed, this drain snake provides a practical and reusable solution. ROGVOC Propress Tool. The ROGVOC Propress tool is designed to create secure pipe connections by pressing fittings onto pipes instead of soldering. Imagine working on a plumbing installation where open flames are not allowed. This tool allows you to join copper pipes quickly using press fittings. It applies consistent pressure to form a reliable connection without heat, reducing installation time and improving safety. In real-world projects, this makes large installations faster and more controlled. When you need clean, efficient connections without traditional soldering, this tool provides a modern and practical solution. An iCrimp CRQ01 Disconnect Tong. The iCrimp CRQ01 Disconnect Tong is designed to safely remove push-fit fittings without damaging the pipe or the fitting. Imagine fixing a plumbing mistake where a connection needs to be adjusted. Trying to remove a push-fit fitting by hand can be difficult and risky. This tool allows you to release the fitting cleanly by applying even pressure around the collar. In real plumbing work, it saves time and prevents damage to reusable components. When quick corrections or adjustments are needed, this disconnect tool provides a safe and efficient solution. A Misurel PVC Pipe Reamer Kit. The Misurel PVC Pipe Reamer Kit is designed to remove old pipe remnants from fittings, allowing you to reuse existing connections instead of replacing them. Imagine repairing a broken PVC line where a piece of pipe is stuck inside a fitting. This tool lets you cleanly remount the old material without damaging the fitting itself. It attaches to a drill, making the process faster and more controlled. In real plumbing work, it saves both time and material costs. When restoring fittings is more practical than replacing them, this Reamer kit provides a reliable solution. GrenPro Basin Wrench. The GrenPro Basin Wrench is designed for installing and removing faucet nuts in deep, narrow spaces under sinks. And imagine trying to loosen a faucet mounting nut where your hand cannot reach properly. This tool features a long shaft and a pivoting jaw that grips nuts from different angles. It allows you to work from below without struggling for space. In real plumbing situations, it reduces effort and speeds up faucet replacement tasks. When access is limited and precision is required, this basin wrench provides a practical and reliable solution. Pilispark Pipe Extractor Tool. The Pilispark Pipe Extractor Tool is designed to remove broken or stuck pipe pieces from threaded fittings without damaging the surrounding threads. Imagine dealing with a snapped pipe inside a fitting where standard tools cannot grip. This tool expands inside the pipe and allows you to turn it out safely. It provides controlled extraction, reducing the risk of damaging the fitting. In real plumbing work, this helps avoid replacing entire sections unnecessarily. When removing broken pipe sections becomes difficult, this extractor tool offers a reliable and efficient way to complete the repair. HAUTMEC Pro Copper Tube Cutter. The HAUTMEC Pro Copper Tube Cutter is designed for clean and precise cuts on copper tubing, especially in confined spaces. Imagine working on a repair where you need a smooth cut to ensure a proper seal. This tool uses a rotating cutting wheel that gradually scores the pipe for an even finish. Its compact design allows you to operate it in tight areas without losing control. In real plumbing work, it helps reduce burrs and improves fitting accuracy. When clean cuts are essential for reliable connections, and this cutter provides consistent and dependable performance. iCrimp IW-ISS-1632 AF Copper Tube Fittings Crimping Tool. The iCrimp IW-ISS-1632 AF Copper Tube Fittings Crimping Tool is designed to create secure press-style connections on copper pipe systems. Imagine installing multiple copper fittings where consistency is critical. This tool applies controlled pressure to crimp fittings evenly, helping form a reliable seal without soldering. Its design supports repeatable results across different connection points, which is important for long-term durability. In real plumbing work, it reduces installation time and minimizes the need for rework. When you need strong and consistent copper connections, this crimping tool offers a practical and efficient solution. Klein Tools D504-10B Pump Pliers. The Klein Tools D504-10B pump pliers are designed for strong gripping and adjustment when working with pipes, fittings, and valves. Imagine dealing with a stubborn connection that requires a firm hold without slipping. These pliers provide multiple adjustment positions to fit different sizes quickly. Their design helps maintain a secure grip while applying controlled force, reducing the risk of damaging components. In real plumbing work, they improve efficiency when tightening or loosening fittings. When reliable grip and control are essential, these pump pliers offer a practical and durable solution. 2-in-1 Ratchet PEX Crimping Tool Pliers. The 2-in-1 Ratchet PEX Crimping Tool Pliers are designed to handle both crimping and removal tasks in PEX systems with a single tool. Imagine working on a waterline installation where you need to secure multiple connections and occasionally correct a fitting. This tool allows you to crimp rings with a ratcheting mechanism for consistent pressure and also release them when adjustments are needed. In real plumbing work, it reduces the need to carry multiple tools and speeds up the process. When efficiency and versatility matter, this tool simplifies your workflow with reliable performance. Smart Jerry Rubber Strap Wrench. The Smart Jerry Rubber Strap Wrench is designed for gripping smooth or delicate surfaces without causing damage. Imagine loosening a plastic pipe fitting or a chrome fixture where metal tools might scratch the surface. This wrench uses a flexible rubber strap to wrap around the object and apply even pressure. It adjusts to different shapes and sizes, making it useful for various plumbing tasks. In real situations, it provides a secure grip while protecting finishes. When you need controlled force without damaging components, this strap wrench offers a safe and practical solution. Anblak Magnetic Pipe Center Finder. The Anblak Magnetic Pipe Center Finder is designed to locate the exact center of metal pipes behind walls or surfaces. Imagine preparing to drill or cut where a hidden pipe is present. This tool helps you identify its position accurately using magnetic detection. It reduces the risk of accidental damage during installation or repair work. In real plumbing situations, it improves safety and precision before starting any task. When working around concealed pipes, this tool ensures you make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Sumglicie Pipe Water Stopper Kit. The Sumglicie Pipe Water Stopper Kit is designed to temporarily block water flow in pipes, allowing you to perform repairs without shutting down the entire system. Imagine fixing a section of plumbing where isolating the main supply is not practical. This kit lets you insert stoppers into the pipe to control water at the exact point of work. It helps keep the area dry and manageable during repairs. In real situations, this saves time and reduces disruption. When controlled water isolation is needed, this kit provides a simple and effective solution. That was a complete look at 20 new plumbing tools on Amazon that are worth getting in the 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and share your thoughts in the comments about which tool you would actually use in your next project. And if you want more practical tools and smart tech content that truly improves how you work, subscribe to TechVerse, because here every video is built to help you work faster, cleaner, and with more confidence every single time.